Hi, Kelly from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and what we have here is a Honda 305 Dream Petcock. This is from a 1963 305 Dream, CA77 or CA78 model. Will also fit the CA72 250 version. The body of this is in good shape. I'm not going to tell you it's mint, but it's actually pretty decent looking. It's not all chewed up. It's fairly clean. Does not appear to have any cracks or excessive corrosion. You can still read the Keyhin logo, and I could read something if I could see, but anyway. On the other side, the stop, reserve, and on positions are all visible. It has a knob. It has the other parts, including the bowl and the soft interior parts, but I would highly recommend replacing these because they're 60-something years old, and the chances of these still sealing are pretty slim. Anyway, this will be on our e-store, so thank you for watching.